Scott Wright, the CEO here at Angus Australia, and I know many of you. I'm here today to talk about what we think of as a perfect storm at the moment in regards to getting your businesses and Australian Angus genetics ready for an export market. Next year we'll have the World Angus Forum in Australia, and that's going to present a real opportunity for you to showcase your business and your genetics to a worldwide audience. We anticipate 500 to 1,000 international delegates will descend on Australia. They'll visit Tamworth, the live cattle exhibition, and the World Angus Forum in Brisbane. In addition to that, we'll have a frozen genetics auction in Brisbane for semen and embryos. It's a perfect storm because last year in October we launched the World Angus Evaluation, which was a collaboration between the United States, Canada, Australia and our New Zealand members. What that World Angus Evaluation did for the first time was give people in overseas markets an ability to look at animals across those 3 databases, 4 countries. There's a range of traits and they're presented in EPDs, which for most people around the world is a good common language to be able to evaluate our genetics. And what we're seeing is those genetics are looking great. There's a number of traits where we're really performing well and it's creating quite a bit of interest. Last year, Erica and myself, we went to the World Technical Meeting in the Czech Republic, and we had a number of inquiries. How do we source Australian genetics? We're looking at Angus Tech, we're looking at your cattle, but we don't know where to find them. Then at the American Convention last November, we had a number of breeders come up to us, and they're already looking at the World Angus Evaluation and trying to make decisions. In fact, we had 165 Americans register interest for the World Angus Forum in Australia. So there's a real opportunity next year to place your business at the front foot of the international Angus genetics market. Now last week we had 2 export readiness seminars. We had one in Orange and we had one in Tamworth. We had Chris Dennis from Invest New South Wales talk about the steps that are involved to get your business export ready. Then we had Debbie Mills from Holbrook Genetics, and we had Caitlin Warner from Australia Premier Genetics in Coonabarabran. And they talk through the various protocols and the steps that you would need to get animals on centre and get those genetics qualified for export. If you missed out on that opportunity, there's one left, which is the 22nd of May in Albury. That'll be the day of our AGM. So the morning will be dedicated to an export readiness seminar, and then in the afternoon there'll be a short workshop of 2 sessions put on by our Extension Manager Jake Phillips. In the afternoon you can all attend our AGM. And after that, please stay and have some drinks with the team and with the board of directors. So I'd like to encourage you to look at this opportunity going forward and come along to our next export readiness seminar and get your business ready to sell Angus genetics on a worldwide stage. Thank you.